Hey everybody. Hopefully you've watched some of the videos by now, but I wanted you to have a list of vocabulary words because they're going to be important for this first section that we're doing in statistics. So, a population is the entire group in a survey. The sample is a subset or a smaller part of the population. And in the videos we watched in class and the PowerPoint, in the videos you watch, we realized that it's important to take a sample because surveying an entire population can be costly and time-consuming. So that's why we take a smaller part or a subset of that population when we're trying to predict something, okay? Now, I've got a couple of examples of sampling, okay? We have what's called a convenience sample. A lot of people think of this as a lazy way of collecting data. Okay, it's when you pick a sample close to you or easiest, okay? And a convenient sample is not a good sample, okay? The best sample is a simple random sample. And what that is, it's anything that can be the entire population and they are randomly picked. So randomly picking from entire population. An example would be putting all the names in a hat and pulling out names. So that would be an example. Okay? Putting names in a hat and drawing them out. That is the best. And notice the best has that word random in it. That's an important word in this unit, okay? Another sample that you'll see, but at this point in the 7th grade, you don't need to know the name of it, but the name of it is a systematic sample. It's pretty good. This is when we systematically choose names, or should we say we choose names using a system, okay? We choose our sample using a system. So, for example, a list of entire population for a survey, and we choose every third person on the list. Okay, that's example of a systematic sample, and that is a really good sampling method. Okay, so the best is the simple random sample, and the systematic is really good. Okay, so these are the two that are really good. Okay, a bias sample, okay, would be choosing your sample according to how you want the results to turn out. Okay. What does random mean when we're dealing with a sample? What does random mean? It means that each member of the population is chosen by chance and each member has an equally likely chance of being selected. Okay. You'll hear them talk about a representative sample, or is the sample representative of the population? And what that means is you have chosen a sample that accurately reflects the members of the population. All right. And then the only other thing you may hear is invalid and valid. Okay, just remember that if something is invalid, it's not really based on truth or well supported. Okay, so what kind of samples are we looking for? We need random, unbiased, representative, and valid samples. So that is the best thing for you to remember. We are looking for random, unbiased, representative, and valid samples. All right, y'all have a good day.